Range of use of electrolytic stone ball press. Electrolytic stone ball press is an important equipment for preparing ball mill materials, widely used in building materials, chemical industry, metallurgy, and other fields. In the building materials industry, it can be used to prepare cement, refractory, glass, and other materials. In the field of chemical industry, it can be used to produce chemical fertilizers, dyes, auxiliaries, and other chemical raw materials. In the metallurgical industry, it can be used to prepare iron ore, steel, non-ferrous metals, and other materials. In addition, the electrolytic stone ball press can also be used for the preparation of ceramics, glass, steel, electronic materials, pharmaceutical intermediates, and other fields with a wide range of use. At the same time, because the equipment has the advantages of high efficiency, energy saving, and environmental protection, the ball mill materials prepared by the electrolytic stone ball press can improve the product quality, improve production efficiency, reduce production costs, become one of the indispensable equipment in various industries.